Armes Gasparini versus Alijan Muratov, and this was the left-handed super heavyweight arm wrestling match. In the first round, they both slipped out, so buckle on the Armes hand, and in a single drive, Alijan Muratov directly drive Armes hand to the pad. Okay, that was flash pinned by Alijan Muratov, but I did not like the setup. In the second round, without a strap, Alijan Muratov flash pinned Armes Gasparini. In third round, Alijan Muratov tried to sleep, but Armes Gasparini grabbed Alijan Muratov's hand and fouled out. Restart, they both slipped out again, and strap match buckle on the Armes hand. Both went to the hook, but Alijan Muratov was another level, so he drive to the Armes hand to the pad, and Alijan Muratov won a dominant fashion. So 3-0. Armes is like amateur arm wrestler to the Alijan Muratov in terms of left hand arm wrestling match. That was the result. 3-0. Alijan Muratov defeated Armes Gasparini.